Hello, this is Chef Dianedimeo and welcome to Bootleg Tips. Today we are making a Korean marinade, also known as a bulgalbi sauce or a bulgogi sauce that you find in Korean restaurants. All you need is some sesame seed oil, and you can use any type, any brand, some soy sauce, again, any type, any brand, but you can choose low sodium if you so desire. Some regular white sugar, some people use brown sugar, some people use Pepsi Cola, Coca-Cola, it doesn't matter, whatever you like, use it. And also garlic, fresh garlic. I always like to use this type of garlic, don't use that pre-minced stuff that you get in the jar, and that's all you need. So let's get cooking. Way to make it is easy. I take about a quarter cup of sugar, I add about a cup of water into that. I like to use hot water because the sugar actually dissolves a lot quicker. Make sure your sugar actually is dissolved. Then I add about, I'd say 1 cup of soy sauce. The reason I add the water because it dilutes the soy sauce and it's not so salty and it doesn't have that really strong soy sauce flavor. And about 1/4 cup of sesame seed oil. Sesame seed oil is very strong, so you want to be careful. You don't have to use all sesame seed oil. You can do a combination of maybe half sesame seed oil and half canola oil, whatever you like. I prefer strong flavors, so I use a lot of sesame seed oil. And key thing, lots and lots and lots and lots of garlic. Koreans, we love garlic. So I add generally to this ratio, probably about 7 cloves of garlic. I like to use a garlic mincer, or I puree a bunch of garlic in your food processor, in my food processor, and then I add it to the marinade. This marinade will last in the refrigerator for approximately 1 week, and you can do anything with it, whether it's marinating meats, fish, use it in your stir fry, use it as dips for, let's say, dumplings, anything, this can be used. All right, that's it. Get my garlic in, and this is ready to go. And this has been this week's bootleg tip, and I will see you soon. Hello, I am Chef Dianedimeo, and today's super sexy dish, we are making a green mango salad.